Hello viewers, this tutorial is for the kids. In our previous lesson, I have shown you how to find square root of numbers without using calculator. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the square of numbers without using calculator. But you need to master these perfect square numbers between 1 to 10. You can see 1 squared is 1, after 10 squared, which is 100. So I'm going to choose 3 numbers at random to find their squares, and all other numbers remain the same. So let's start with 13 squared. 13 squared meaning 13 multiplied by 13. You take the last digit, you multiply it by itself. 3 times 3 is 9. You can see it from here. 3 squared is 9, and this is going to be our last digit. Followed by, you multiply all the 3 numbers you can see here. 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. This is 6. Then you take the first digit from the left, you multiply it by itself. 1 squared is 1, and hence 13 squared is 169. Let us take another one at random. We have maybe 2, 4 squared. We are going to first of all find the last digit by squaring the last digit here, 4. 4 squared, you can see it here, is 16. So our last digit is going to be 6. We are going to write the unit part and keep the other one beside. Then we multiply 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, plus this one is 17. As well, we are going to write the unit part, 7, and keep 1 aside. Take this 2 as squared. 2 times 2, you can see is 4, plus this is 5. So we have 576. So the question is, what if the numbers are 3 digits? So first we have maybe 1, 2, and 5 squared. If you have 3 digits, you can partition the number into 2. You group them into 2. We can group 12 and 5 together. So we start with this one. To find the last digit, we square it. 5 squared, you can see it's 25, but we are going to write 5. We have 2 left. Then we take 12 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. 12 times 5 is 60. Then 60 times 2 is 120. We have 120 plus 2 is 122. We write the unit part. We still have 12 left. Then we take this 12 and multiply it by itself, because we want to find the first digit. 12 squared is 144, but suppose we don't know because we stop at 10. We can equally do the same. We square 12, and you know it is going to be the last digit. 2 squared is 4. 1 times 2 times 2 is 4. Then 1 squared is 1. You see, if you square 12, you're going to obtain 144. But we have 12 extra left. You have to add it to this number. You have 6, 5, and 1, 1, 5, 6. You can take your calculator and check for all these 3 numbers. I'm very much sure you're going to get the same thing. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.